Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for October 30th, 2025. Today, traders and investors across the crypto world are buckling up as major market events line up: a pivotal Federal Reserve meeting, a record options expiry, and new milestones in institutional adoption. Let's get right into the headlines driving crypto sentiment today. First up, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve as Bitcoin holds steady near $113,000 ahead of today's interest rate decision. The expectation is a 25 basis point cut, which could bring the range to between 4 and 4.25%. Liquidity on centralized exchanges remains thin. Order books now sit at just 40% of pre-liquidation levels, and stablecoin inflows are ticking up as traders move to the sidelines awaiting clarity. Macro tailwinds like cooling inflation and stabilizing global tensions have analysts cautiously optimistic for Bitcoin in the remainder of Q4, a historically strong period. But volatility could spike around the Fed's announcement, especially if Chair Powell's language signals either a slower or faster path to monetary easing. Next, Bitcoin and Ether are bracing for a whopping $17 billion in options expiring this Friday, one of the largest monthly option expiries ever. For Bitcoin, $14.4 billion in notional value is set to settle, with heavy positioning around strike prices at $110,000 and $120,000. The concept of max pain is in play, where the largest number of both call and put contracts expire worthless, currently estimated near $114,000. Market makers may attempt to keep prices near this level, leading to additional volatility, so investors should brace themselves for sudden swings. For Ether, similar dynamics are at play, with $2.6 billion in options expiring and traders closely watching the crucial $4,000 level. On the institutional front, a significant milestone as DBS and Goldman Sachs announced completion of the first-ever over-the-counter interbank cryptocurrency options trade involving both Bitcoin and Ether. This development marks a major advance in connecting traditional finance risk management tools with digital assets, as professional investors seek familiar hedging products and more regulated counterparties. Demand for digital asset derivatives is climbing rapidly, with DBS clients alone executing over $1 billion in crypto options and structured notes so far this year. As similar trades become more common, expect institutional inflows to deepen and the overall crypto market infrastructure to mature. To recap the market's mood, Bitcoin is treading water near key resistance as traders manage risk around interest rates and potential shocks. Billions in options are set to expire, setting up both nervousness and opportunity for active traders. And the world's biggest banks are breaking new ground, laying the foundation for a future where digital assets and Wall Street become increasingly intertwined. Thanks for tuning in to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast. For more insights and daily updates, be sure to follow us and visit our blog at silklogic.ai/2025/10/30/bitcoin-crypto-daily-podcast-10-30-2025. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the news that matters. See you next time.